So let's talk about customizing detailed estimates. Now, you would use this if you wanted to figure out what it would cost to bid on certain keywords. So utilizing the Google AdWords keyword tool, you would definitely want to pay close attention to this. Now, before you can actually do that, you will need to add keywords to your plan, which is over here. So this is the plan on the side, and you'll need to add keywords from this point over to this point. And to do that, all you have to do is simply click on here to add it to the plan. Now you'll notice that when you add it to the plan, the keywords over here will disappear. And that gives you the ability to search more keywords and simply add the ones that you want over to here. When it comes to reviewing the estimates, I can see all the keywords that I want to review. And all I have to do is simply click on Review Estimates. Now at this point, you'll be brought to a new screen where you can simply enter a bid and a daily budget. And then of course you can get detailed estimates that relate to your campaign. Now as you can see here, the ad group or the ads that you have, you can see kind of an idea of, okay, this is going to cost you $115 to get about 300 clicks, and then as you ramp it up, you can get more clicks. So this is going to be CPC, which is cost per click, and then you can see the impressions per day that you could potentially get, and of course the cost per day to get ad position up to ad position 1. So if we were to enter, let's say for example, so we have an idea here, we enter something like 50 cents a bid, and our daily budget is something like $25. So if we click on Get Detailed Estimates, this gives you an idea of how many clicks per day you will actually receive with this bid in this daily budget. So you can see clicks per day, impressions per day, cost per day, and of course the ad position. So ad position for this, you would be in the range of 2 to 3. Now if we up it a little bit, let's say 90 cents, and then we get detailed estimates, you can see that the ad position does move up, but not drastically. So we're no longer in the 3 position, we're now in the 2 position. Now this is the ad group as a whole. As we go down here, you can actually see more details, such as the CTR, which is the click-through rate. So for example, if you have 100 people come to the ad and then 2.1 or 2 people click it, then that would be about 2% CTR. Now if we click here, we can actually see it in a little more detail in terms of the keywords themselves. So for example, the puppy potty training, we get about 0.78 clicks, which is about 1 click, 49 impressions, and then the costs would be about 50 cents. So there's not a lot of clicks for puppy potty training in this case, if we bid that amount. Now if I up it, we can see what kind of results we get, and it looks about the same. But we can see that dog training classes, or even puppy shots or puppy training classes or service dog training, gets a little more clicks than these here too. So what this does is it just gives you an idea of what you're dealing with. You can also edit match types. So for example, currently it should be broad match type, But if you switch it to something like exact match type, you probably will not get as many clicks, but they're going to be a lot more targeted clicks. But potty training dogs, we can see that the clicks does move up. And then we have phrase match. And as you can see, the updates show right here. So just keep in mind though that broad match means that when somebody types in dog trainer, that means in any case where the words dog or trainer appear, it'll pull the keyword phrase in. If it's exact match like dog trainer, it will only look for the keyword dog trainer. Now phrase match is similar in the sense that if it's dog trainer, then it would pull in anything related to dog trainer, but if it said something like German Shepherd dog trainer, that would be phrase match and it would pull that keyword in. So this is a great tool to use if you're using Google AdWords or if you just want to get an idea of profitability in your market demand. And of course, once you're done with that, you can simply click on Save to Account.